Trigonometrical Identities, Previous Year's Questions, 2007 to 2023, Part 1. In the previous class, we have studied trigonometrical identities. Cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta, sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta, sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta, cos theta by sin theta equal to cot theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta equal to c square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta equal to cos square theta. In this class, we will do previous year's questions from 2007 to 2023, and throughout these examples we will be using these trigonometrical identities as and when needed. The first question: ck by ck plus 1 plus ck by ck minus 1 equal to 2 cos square a. This is a 3 marks question. So we are asked to prove the left hand side of this equation equal to the right hand side of the equation. And the easiest method is always use the most complicated part, then simplify it and arrive at the other part or the other side. So we will use the left hand side, which is equal to ck divided by ck plus 1 plus ck by ck minus 1 equal to, these are two fractions. The denominator are different, so we will take the LCM as the product of the denominators. ck plus 1 into ck minus 1, in the usual way of adding numerical fractions. Divide this denominator by the denominator of this fraction. So we will get to ck minus 1. ck minus 1 into ck. The numerator will be ck minus 1 into ck. Here again in the same way, by dividing we will get to ck plus 1. ck plus 1 into ck. ck plus 1 into ck equal to, multiply. The bracket shows multiply each term by ck. ck into ck, sec square a, minus ck into 1 ck plus c square a plus ck divided by ck plus 1 into ck minus 1. It is of the form a plus b into a minus b, and a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square equal to c square a plus c square a is 2c square a minus ak and plus ck, they will be cancelled, divided by c square a minus 1. We know an identity 1 plus tan square A equal to C square A. So C square A minus 1, C square A, bring this 1 to the right hand side. Minus 1 in the left hand side only, there is tan square A. So this is equal to 2C square A. Instead of C square A minus 1, tan square A equal to, now take reciprocal of C, that is cos. So it is 2 by cos square A divided by tan square A is sin square A by cos square A. Since tan A equal to sin A by cos A. Equal to this cos square A divided by cos square A, that is 1. So in the numerator there is 2 and the denominator it is sin square A. So that is equal to 2 cosec square A, because sin square 1 by sin square A means cosec square A, and that is equal to the RHS. The second question, sin square theta minus 1 into tan square theta plus 1 equal to 0. Obviously we will work out with the left hand side. Left hand side equal to sin square theta minus 1 into tan square theta plus 1 equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Therefore, sin square theta, bring this 1 to the left side, minus 1, and bring cos square theta to the right side. So that will become minus cos square theta. So instead of sin square theta minus 1 is, I am writing minus cos square theta into the seventh identity is 1 plus tan square theta equal to C square theta. So this is 1 plus tan square theta. Instead of that I am writing C square theta plus 1 equal to minus cos square theta into C square theta I am writing as 1 by cos square theta plus 1. So minus cos square theta is in the numerator and cos square theta is in the denominator. On dividing we get minus 1. There is a plus 1 here equal to 0 equal to RHS. This is a simple question and this question is for 4 marks. The third question, 1 by 1 plus sin theta plus 1 by 1 minus sin theta equal to 2c square theta. Left hand side equal to 1 by 1 plus sin theta plus 1 by 1 minus sin theta equal to, let us add these fractions. That is the only option we are left with. So the common denominator is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Then divide this common denominator by the denominator of this fraction. So you will get 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta into 1 is 1 minus sin theta, plus here again divide this by this denominator, so you will get 1 plus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta into 1 is 1 plus sin theta. In another way I can say, if you are taking the common denominator by multiplying the denominator, then your numerator will be at this position will be multiplying this denominator like this denominator and this numerator, 1 minus sin theta, and the numerator at this position will be multiply like this, 1 plus sin theta into 1, so that is 1 plus sin theta. So equal to 1 and 1, that is 2, minus sin theta and plus sin theta equal to 0, divided by 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, again a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. The identity we need to use here is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square theta, 1 is here, bring sin square theta here, 1 minus sin square theta, that will be cos square theta. So instead of this I am writing 2 by cos square theta. Cos is reciprocal of sec, so it is 2 c square theta, 2 c square theta equal to RHS. Simple questions. The fourth question. Prove that 1 plus sin theta whole square plus 1 minus sin theta whole square divided by 2 cos square theta equal to 2 c square theta. Left side equal to 1 plus sin theta whole square plus 1 minus sin theta whole square divided by 2 cos square theta. Expand using this by a plus b whole square and this by 1 a minus b whole square. Expanding 1 plus sin theta whole square by a plus b whole square will be equal to a square plus 2 into ab, 2 into 1 into sin theta, 2ab plus b square, and this by a minus b whole square will be equal to a square minus 2a into b plus b square whole divided by 2 cos square theta equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 sin theta and minus 2 sin theta, that means 0. Sin square theta plus sin square theta, what is that? X plus x is 2x. So this is 2 into sin square theta divided by 2 cos square theta. From the numerator take 2 outside, 2 into 1 plus sin square theta divided by 2 cos square theta equal to 2 and 2, that means 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So in the numerator 1 plus sin square theta divided by cos square theta equal to 1 by cos square theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta. Actually here we need to prove equal to c square theta plus tan square theta. So here 1 plus sin square theta whole divided by cos square theta means cos square theta is the common denominator for 1 as well as sin square theta. Cos square theta is the denominator for 1 and cos square theta is the denominator for sin square theta. So equal to 1 by cos square theta is c square theta. This is tan square theta equal to RHS. In every question we use some identities. The fifth question, prove that 1 plus tan square theta by 1 plus sec theta equal to sec theta. This is a 3 marks question. Left hand side equal to 1 plus tan square theta by 1 plus sec theta. So for simplification, instead of 1 I am writing 1 plus sec theta divided by 1 plus sec theta. Numerator and denominator are the same, so we will get 1 only, plus tan square theta by 1 plus sec theta. That means 1 plus sec theta is now common to both these two. That is 1 plus sec theta plus tan square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is an identity which is c square theta. So we have the sec theta here plus instead of 1 plus tan square theta I am writing c square theta divided by 1 plus sec theta equal to, I am taking sec theta outside, so sec theta into 1 plus sec theta divided by 1 plus sec theta. So this will, you will get 1 and the remaining is sec theta which is equal to RHS. Sixth question is, prove that sin A by 1 plus cot A minus cos A by 1 plus tan A equal to sin A by cos A. Left hand side equal to sin A by 1 plus cot A minus cos A by 1 plus tan A. See, the right hand side is sin and cos only. So here we have the cot and tan apart from sin and cos. So let us convert this cot and tan into sin and cos equal to sin A by 1 plus cos A by sin A minus cos A by 1 plus sin A by cos A equal to sin A divided by 1 means 1 divided by 1, or we will use another method. Instead of 1 we will write sin A by sin A plus this is cos A by sin A. Now the denominator of these two fractions are equal, so simplification is very easy. Just add the numerators with the common denominator as sin A minus cos A divided by, here again I am using the same method. Here I write cos A by cos A instead of sin A by sin A, because here we are having a cos A as the denominator, plus sin A by cos A. So this is equal to sin A divided by sin A upon sin A plus cos A minus cos A divided by cos A upon cos A plus sin A equal to, this sin A will go to the numerator, so it will be sin square A divided by sin A plus cos A minus this cos A will go to the numerator, so it will become cos square A divided by cos A plus sin A. I am writing sin A plus cos A. So the denominators are the same, so we can write it as the common denominator for these numerators, sin A plus cos A upon sin square A minus cos square A. Numerator is of the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b divided by sin A plus cos A. Sin A plus cos A divided by sin A plus cos A is 1. 1 into this is sin A minus cos A. Equal to RHS. The seventh question. Prove that 1 minus tan theta by 1 minus cot theta equal to tan square theta. This question is for 3 marks. Left hand side equal to 1 minus tan theta by 1 minus cot theta equal to, this is whole square, equal to 1 minus, instead of tan theta, sin theta by cos theta, and in the numerator also instead of cot theta, cos theta by sin theta whole square equal to 1 means 1 divided by 1. Here again the same situation. So I am taking the denominator as by multiplying the denominator. 1 into cos theta is cos theta. Then the numerator I will get multiplying like this. It is cos theta minus 1 into sin theta is sin theta whole divided by 1 into sin theta is the denominator, common denominator. Then the numerator I will get as sin theta into 1 minus 1 into cos theta equal to, this is dividing a fraction by another fraction. So cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta is the fraction in the numerator into, if you are dividing one fraction by another fraction, it is also possible that multiply the fraction in the numerator by the reciprocal of the fraction in the denominator. So reciprocal of this will become sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta equal to cos theta minus sin theta. When we are multiplying two fractions, we will multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Cos theta into sin theta divided by multiplying these two, that is sin theta sin theta minus cos theta I am writing first. There is no problem in the order of multiplication. Into cos theta equal to cos theta minus sin theta. So this is square here also square. Cos theta minus sin theta into sin theta. In the numerator I am changing the order of this term. Sin theta minus cos theta I am writing as cos theta minus sin theta by taking a minus 1 outside, minus 1. So if you multiply cos theta by this minus 1 into cos theta will become minus cos theta, minus 1 into minus sin theta will become positive sin theta. The denominator there is cos theta here. So this dividing this we will get minus 1, and here there is a sin theta and the cos theta in the denominator whole square. That means minus 1 square and sin theta by cos theta whole square. Minus 1 square is 1 only. Sin theta by cos theta whole square equal to tan theta whole square equal to tan square theta equal to RHS.